Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Dubsado, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you turn off Dubsado email notifications? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to turn off Dubsado email notifications anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business managing it through Dubsado, you know that sometimes those email notifications can be quite frequent and annoying. So you can actually turn off various email notifications. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Dubsado dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Dubsado, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to restrict or turn off some email notifications that you're receiving, up here on the top right, you're going to click on this gear icon. Once you do that, you'll see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on this button, notifications. Okay, so once you click there, it's going to show the types of notifications. Push is going to be in your browser. Dashboard is going to be in your bell icon right up here, and then email. So if we scroll down, we're going to see all the various things that we could be notified for. So if a project is assigned to me, you can see that I'm going to receive an email notification. So I can actually just uncheck that. So now I will no longer receive an email notification if a project is assigned to me. So you want to go ahead and just turn off whichever email notifications that you don't want to receive. You can turn them all off. You just start unchecking all of them. Okay. And two more. Okay. So now I turned off all of my email notifications, and you're not quite finished until you click on save changes here on the top right. Okay. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to turn off email notifications from your Dubsado account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.